Most people fail TCF Canada not because of French, but because they don't understand the test structure. I know this from experience. I reached C2 in French in just 10 months by studying strategically and understand the test was key. If you're planning to take TCF Canada for immigration, this video is for you. I'll explain each section of the test: listening, reading, writing, and speaking step by step. Because knowing what to expect in the test is just as important as knowing French, something I learned firsthand. So let's start. The TCF Canada has 4 mandatory sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And each section evaluates different skills and contributes to your final CLB level. Understanding each part will save you months of wasted effort. That's exactly how I accelerated my French learning. So let's start. First section, listening. In the TCF, the listening section is multiple choice, 39 questions, 35 minutes. The listening section tests your understanding of spoken French. You hear conversations, announcements, messages. The difficulty is mainly speed and concentration, not in 3 questions. The common mistake is trying to understanding every single word. Don't do it. Focus on main ideas and context. This is what the test measures. Section 2, reading. The reading in the TCF is also multiple choice, but 39 questions and 1 hour. Again, the goal is understanding. Skim for context, main ideas, and the author's intent. That's exactly what I applied while training for my TCF test. Section 3, writing. The TCF writing section has 3 texts, they call tâches, with increasing difficulty. Task 1, you're gonna write a small message or email. Task 2, you're gonna write a narrative or an explanatory text. And Task 3 is an opinion or an argument. You're evaluated on clarity, coherence, grammar, and vocabulary. A tip I learned at my level is structure your answer first and then focus on details, because clarity wins over complexity. Section 4, speaking. The speaking section tests your ability of communicating orally in French. The TCF speaking test is divided in 3 tasks. Task 1 is a personal introduction. You're gonna talk about yourself, your experience, routine, but you don't have preparation. There's no time for preparation. Task 2, asking questions in a situation. You are given a situation and you have 2 minutes for preparation before you start speaking, and then you have to making questions to the examiner. Task 3, giving your opinion about a general topic. Here can be everything. You have no time for preparation, and you have to talk for 4.5 minutes about the topic they gave you. Most people panic and try to memorize sentence, but from my experience, clarity and flow in this question matter far more than grammar. In conclusion, across all sections, one strategy worked for me. Focus on the test logic, not only the language. Once you know what the exam measures, your preparation becomes much more faster and effective. So to summarize, TCF Canada has 4 sections: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And each tests your communication and comprehension skills in different ways. Strategy, clarity, and knowing what the test values are more important than perfection. If you find this video useful, like this video, save, and subscribe for more tips. Let's keep growing together. In the next video, I'll share the biggest mistakes people make in TCF and how to avoid losing points.